The two tools I used to remove and replace the front bumper cover on the 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord included a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic clip removal tool. Into the driver door, open the driver door, come down and this latch here. Okay, we're gonna come down here. Gonna be a release cable. I don't know if you guys can see that release cable right there. Push it up. At the top we have retainer clips. One there, there, here, and there, and there. We're gonna go ahead and put those on. Okay, we're gonna go to the side, and there's gonna be a Phillips head screw right there. So we're gonna take a Phillips head screwdriver. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna go to the bottom, and we're gonna remove these clips here. There's one there, one down there, one here, there, there. One down there, one down there, and all the way around. We're gonna get those.
If I unplug this, it ain't gonna go off it.
Tab here that the bumper sits on. Stuff that make sure you lift up on that. Also be sure that this lip here is pushed in so that it can release. Okay, I'm gonna take my hand and kind of just grab behind this bumper and give it a firm pull towards myself. I'm just gonna make a snapping sound. That should break the top loose. Okay, since mine has fog lights, I'm gonna go down to the back here. And I'm just gonna press this tab in right here. And pull away. Press that tab in and it should slide right out as you pull away. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Also another tab here. I believe this goes to my that goes to my fog light. I'm gonna take my hand, press that tab in, pull away. Remember, press that tab in right there. Okay, we're gonna go back on with our front bumper cover. First thing we want to do, want to get it close enough to where we can get our wires connected for the fault light at the bottom, and we're gonna go ahead and plug those back up. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna grab this bumper in the middle and get it on there. Let's see. Let's try and bring up the bumper as far as we can. Snap that in. Make sure to get it back on the tab. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you pull this grill upward. to seat it properly on that tab. Right there. Take the Phillips head screwdriver and the Phillips screw. And screw it back in. That We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take this fender liner and kind of push it back in. We're gonna go to the bottom. Let's get that bottom in. There we got that bottom in. Now we can go into see to put the clutch back in. That's one that goes there. And the foot that will go there. And there. And so forth around. Go back down with this piece here. Back in. And that's how you replace a front bumper cover on a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord.